everyone, welcome to Granny's Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this little cute mini dress keychain. So let's get started. Round 1. Make slip knot like this. Make chain 16, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and then 16. Slip stitch into the first chain. Chain 2. This will count as your first double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Two double crochet in the next stitch. Make 2 double crochet in every stitch around. Make slip stitch on top of chain 2. Round 2, make chain 2. This will count as the first double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. One double crochet in the next stitch and then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, make slip stitch on top of chain 2. I am changing my color. Round 3, make chain 2. This will count as the first double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in next 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then 11. Total 12 double crochet including chain 2. Now skip next 12 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fold it like this. Now make 1 double crochet in next 12 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and then 12. Again skip 12 stitches. Make slip stitch on top of chain 2 here. Round 4, make chain 2. This will count as the first double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And then 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. If you don't know the basics of crochet, you can check my previous video. In the end, make slip stitch on top of chain 2. Round 5, make chain 2. This will count as the first double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Make 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, make slip stitch on top of chain 2. You can see this border at the end. You can change the color for this. I am making with the same color. Round 6. Skip the first stitch and make 4 double crochet in the next stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now skip the next stitch and make slip stitch into the next stitch. Again, skip 1 stitch, make 4 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the next stitch and make 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch and make 4 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, make slip stitch here like this, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Hide all the ends so you can see these are little big and bigger. Now for making this little tiny bow, take a piece of ribbon, cut it into 2 pieces. Like this. Now fold the ribbon like this. Take a piece of thread and wrap it like this. So tada! Your bow is ready. Now tie a knot to make it secure. Cut the extra thread. Attach it here with glue. You can add many things in this keychain like beads, pearls, tassels, and many things to make it more beautiful. So this is the final look of this little cute mini dress keychain. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.